Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox 32-inch Samsung monitor which I recently buy. Why I buy this? Because as you know, I recently joined Microsoft and leave the company Visa. And due to that reason, I have a monitor from the company Visa that I am using from 2 years. But due to my last day over, I have to return all the assets to Visa company. And Microsoft don't provide that benefit that you can take the office monitor to home and use it. Visa has that policy. So due to that reason, with with the help of Microsoft provides so many perks. So with that money, I buy this monitor. So now let's unbox this and see how this monitors looks. Let's see. As per the developer perspective, I buy this monitor so in the videos or when I am doing some coding stuff or teaching something to you, I feel best and you will also feel best. Okay, so let's open it and see how this monitors actually is, what is the design of that monitor. All these things we will see in this video. So let me open this. It's 32-inch box. So it's very big box if you see here. So I have a knife. Using that, I'm cutting down. So if you see here, this is the monitor which we buy. Okay. So this is very big monitor. Let's set up this and show it to you how it looks like. So finally we are done with the setup and this is our monitor. White colored monitor of Samsung 32-inch. So if you see here, it looks very nice. So let me open something if I can. So this is how this monitor works. And this monitor come with a smart concept. This monitor has a remote also. You can watch and behave this monitor like a TV. You have a Netflix, you have a YouTube, you have several application in this monitor. So it's not just a plug and play monitor with your laptop. It's can be TV also. So let me show you how it can be TV. So if you see here, right? So this is the Netflix. So it's approximately same like a TV, okay? But this monitor come with the functionality you can make as a TV and you can make as a monitor itself. Or if I want to do the coding and do the teaching stuff, this smart monitor works well there. So that is the reason I buy this monitor. I buy this monitor at the price of 18,000 from the smart Samsung website and using a student discount. Okay, so on Samsung website you have get two type of discount. One is a student discount, one is a corporate employee discount if you log in by the corporate account. Okay, so this type of discount you will get there if you buy from the directly Samsung website. And this monitor came from there because when I searching for Amazon and Flipkart, this white color charge me more. That is the reason I buy from Samsung original website. So tell me how this monitor looks like and how is my setup now, how it is looking. Now I am planning to add some lights and some sceneries which I took from Microsoft. I will add there so it looks more good or more interesting. So if you don't know, now I am the part of Microsoft. Now I am a Microsoftie and I joined Microsoft as an SD2. And because of this reason, Microsoft gave me money and I buy this monitor from Microsoft money. So that's all about this video. Follow my channel and if you like the video, share between your friends, circles, and I will put this monitor link in the description so you will see that what monitor I buy. And if you like this video, please comment it how you will rate this video on. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, सी या, हैव अ गुड डे।